How are you, friends? કેમ છો? How is your study going on? Good. Very nice. Dear students, since last many days, we have been discussing about writing section. You have studied essay writing, letter writing, report writing. Now the most essential writing section that should be developed, and you are living in 21st century, and this writing section is really a must, and that is the most essential for computer use, and that is email writing. Okay, so my dear students, today let's learn in detail about email writing. Dear students, actually email writing is different from letter writing and essay writing. Why? Actually, essay and letter, they are written on the paper, but email writing is not written on the paper. Actually, it's a electronic mail. As we write a letter on paper and we send through post, but this writing is not written on the paper. It is written on the screen with the use of keyboard. So I clearly tell you that it has its own electronic structure. Okay, so this is the structure. First we write date, and then from means who, to whom you are sending your email, then to, then subject, then what is the subject of the email? Congratulations for achievement. My dear friends, why this subject is necessary? See, suppose you are the person and you are receiving mail. So in your computer there are thousands of emails in your inbox. So how can you know that this email is important for you, this is not important? So you write the subject, so the receiver just read the subject and he can know that this email is important for him or not. Now one more clarification. So this is the address. For example, bhattbhvesh73@yahoo.in. So my dear friends, let's understand the email address. See, this is Yahoo. Actually what is Yahoo? You know, Yahoo is a domain, जिसको हम सिंपल भाषा में कहे तो ये एक घर है. डोमेन का मतलब है घर. So generally we are using nowadays Gmail, Reddit Mail, Yahoo. There are many. Okay. So and dot. Then what is in? Sometimes you are using com. Sometimes you are using in. Sometimes in email writing you find org. So what are these? Please understand. Suppose com stands for commerce. Suppose your email address, or you are dealing with the business. So in your email address com is written. So in stands for India, means you are Indian, and this is personal email. You are not a businessman. Okay, and sometimes org is also written. So when org is written, organization. Suppose Charutar Vidya Mandal is an organization. IB Patel School is also an organization. There are many organizations, and the email address is of the organization. In the address org is also written. Okay. Then the second rule is email writing is what? In email writing, all letters are always small letters. You cannot write capital letters because computer will not receive your capital letter. Suppose you write B like this. Suppose you in email address you write B like this, but so computer will not accept capital letter. Okay, so even on your screen you can see BHATTBHAVESH73. And third rule is there should not be any space between two letters. Suppose you want to keep the space, a small underline is also written, and that is called underscore. Okay, then date, then the second address I have typed Anu Patel 2506@gmail.com. So the person who is receiver, so his domain is Gmail and my domain is Yahoo. It doesn't make any difference. So Anu Patel 2506@gmail.com. So this is the address who is receiving my mail, and this is the subject. I have just told you, subject is just for the person who is receiving your email, so he can know about the subject. Okay, now this is salutation, dear Anu. This is as we write salutation in letter, you just simply write the salutation. Then these two lines, you did it buddy, I am so happy for you, may you go on adding more feathers to cap, and I wish you all the best. So these two lines are just a formality, and you know well, okay, when we start talking with anybody, we do not start the talking with the main subject, we just use some formal lines. So even in email also you just write formal lines. Then main subject matter means body. So third line to almost last two lines. So this is called body. This is the body of email. So this is the main body, and these two lines are called formalities. So I remember the last time when you had won, I was sitting right there in front of row. So all these are called body, and last salutation also you can write. My dear friends, this is very easy format, and let's understand the format of email. So from sender's email, date you can write, then to recipient's email, CC. Now what is CC? Let me clarify. The full form of CC is carbon copy. Suppose you are sending the email only Anu, but you also want to write, you also want to send the same email to another person also. So in CC column you can type another person's email address also. So simultaneously you can send thousands of email at a time. Okay, then subject, then salutation. Suppose you are writing an email to your madam, your sir. So dear sir, dear madam, Mr., Mrs., and anyway. Now greetings means formality, introduction. Then message. Here message means main. Message means main body of the email. Then last formality again, closing formality, and here it is written signature, but you will not put signature, just you can write your name. This is very easy email, and in your examination also you can get maximum marks or full marks in email writing. Okay, my dear friends, so I hope you have understood email writing in detail. Thank you very much.